Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. Snow chains are not a permanent fixture of the car. They are a series of chains that are wrapped around the tires and fit tightly over the wheels so that they do not become dislodged in transit. They are much thicker than the tread on your tires and more efficient at creating grip on the road. Diamond snow chains are the traditional type featuring strings of metal links structured in a diamond shape. They offer better traction due to the increased contact surface to the ground. Cable snow chains feature smaller lightweight links of spaced-out steel connected to a chain that covers the circumference of the wheel. The spaced-out cables make it easier to apply the brakes, which can be an advantage when you have less control due to icy conditions. Snow chains help you drive safer and avoid accidents in snowy or icy conditions by increasing traction and control and preventing slipping. The modern versions are effective on all types of vehicles and winter road conditions and are easy to install and remove. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.